These WOZEL 20x70 binoculars deliver strong magnification that brings distant birds, wildlife, and landscapes noticeably closer without feeling overly shaky in the hands. The large 70mm objective lenses gather a generous amount of light, so scenes remain bright and usable even as daylight starts to fade. High-definition optics with quality prisms and full coatings give these binoculars a crisp, contrasty image with colors that look natural rather than washed out. The wide eyepieces and smooth central focus wheel make it easy to lock onto fine details quickly, which is especially helpful when tracking moving subjects. A rubber-armored exterior provides a secure, comfortable grip and some extra protection against bumps, while the included neck strap makes carrying them on long walks more manageable. Their versatile performance suits birdwatching, casual stargazing, sports, and general travel use, making them a practical choice for anyone who spends a lot of time outdoors.